All right, let's talk about wrinkles, sagging skin, and all the fun surprises aging throws our way. The beauty industry wants you to believe you need to drop half your paycheck on some magic anti-aging cream that'll make you look 21 again. But let's be real, if that actually worked, we'd all have baby smooth skin and zero stress lines. But here's the thing, there is a natural anti-aging solution that actually works, and it's been around for thousands of years. And the best part, it costs less than your daily oat milk latte. I'm talking about castor oil. Turns out this oil is one of the most powerful anti-aging remedies out there. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use castor oil to erase wrinkles, tighten your skin, and bring back that glow without needing a second mortgage for skincare products. Before we get into it, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. This is just the first video in my 6-part castor oil series, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. And if you're wondering where to find high-quality castor oil, I've linked my favorite one in the description below, because not all castor oil is created equal. Castor oil isn't some new crazy skincare trend. People have been using castor oil for thousands of years. In ancient Egypt, Cleopatra herself was rumored to use it to keep her skin glowing and smooth, so it's Cleopatra approved. Castor oil is loaded with ricinoleic acid, a rare fatty acid that dives deeper into your skin than most fancy moisturizers. It boosts collagen and elastin, which basically tells your skin to stop slacking off and start repairing itself. It is also packed with antioxidants that fight off free radicals, aka those tiny, invisible villains that cause wrinkles, sagging, and the "why do I look so tired" face. If your skin is always drier than a raisin in the sun, castor oil might just be your new best friend. Unlike store-bought moisturizers that just sit there, castor oil actually penetrates the skin and locks in moisture like a pro. And here's a game-changing trick. Castor oil works even better when mixed with aloe vera. Power tip number 1, the hydration booster. Mix a few drops of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Apply it before bed. Wake up with skin so soft you'll think you swapped faces with a baby. Aloe vera helps castor oil absorb faster, soothes irritation, and gives your skin an extra hydration boost. Is your skin constantly dry and flaky no matter what you do? Drop a yes or no in the comments below. One of the biggest signs of aging is loose, sagging skin, especially around the eyes, jawline, and neck. Why? Because as we get older, our skin gets lazy and stops making elastin, which is basically the glue that keeps everything tight and lifted. But here's the good news. Castor oil can wake it back up. It boosts blood circulation, which naturally tightens the skin and makes you look more refreshed. And if you want to supercharge this effect, add cold therapy. Power tip number 2, the instant face lifting trick. Mix castor oil with rose water and freeze it into ice cubes. Gently massage your face with the ice cube. Say hello to snatched jawlines and lifted cheeks. Wrinkles don't just appear overnight. If they did, we'd all wake up in a panic mode. Over time, collagen breaks down and the skin becomes thinner and weaker. Most anti-aging products only target surface wrinkles, but castor oil works from the inside out. Castor oil is one of the best natural anti-aging secrets out there. It hydrates, tightens, and smooths the skin without toxic chemicals or overpriced creams. Also, if you need high-quality castor oil, I've linked my favorite products in the description below. If castor oil can work wonders for wrinkles, imagine what it can do for joint pain. If you struggle with stiffness, aching knees, or sore hands, don't miss the next video where I reveal how castor oil can help relieve pain and inflammation naturally, without toxic medications. And remember, whether you're over 50, 70, 90, or even 1,000, age is just a number. So make sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it.